Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore lead tracking using HubSpot CRM for investors step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the CRM dashboard. Click on the Contacts tab in the main menu. Select Lists from the drop-down options. Create a new list by clicking the Create List button. Name your list appropriately to reflect lead tracking. Set the criteria for your list by choosing specific filters. Use properties such as lead source or last contacted. Add any necessary filters to refine your contact selection. Click Save once you have configured the filters. Next, head over to the Deals tab in the main menu. Create a new deal by clicking on the Create Deal button. Fill in the deal name and associated contacts for tracking. Assign the deal to the appropriate pipeline and stage. Make sure to input the deal amount and close date. Click Save to finalize the new deal setup. Now, return to the Contacts section to view your newly created list. Here, you can apply bulk actions to manage your leads effectively. Use the Workflow feature in HubSpot to automate lead follow-ups. Go to Automation in the main menu and select Workflows. Click on Create Workflow and choose the type that fits. Set the enrollment triggers based on your lead criteria. Add actions for sending emails or assigning tasks. Review your settings and activate the workflow. To track engagement, navigate to the Reports section. Select Dashboards to gain insights on lead performance. Use the available metrics to assess the effectiveness of your tracking. Adjust your strategies based on the data gathered. Regularly update your contact properties to maintain accuracy. Revisit your lists and workflows as needed for optimal results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.